Get this, the iPhone's now on Virgin Mobile with no contract.
Yeah, but you don't need a new phone.
With unlimited data and messaging?
Yeah. That's too bad you just got that.
Oops.
Stop! Taxi! You have my phone.
Oops. Rubbish.
Do something naughty and get something nice. iPhone on Virgin Mobile. Unlimited data and messaging, just $30 a month.
Smack, crack.
Welcome to a new Ask Now summary. Today we are introducing the 7 triggers to yes from Russell H. Granger. Everyone knows that the best way to persuade people to reach the yes response is by using logic and reason, right? Wrong. That's not the way things happen in the real world. According to the latest research in neuroscience, most people respond to emotional cues rather than rational ones. Instead of using facts and figures to persuade, you should be tapping into the brain internal triggers for making decisions. Power of persuasion. We have 3 options to get things done: force, negotiation, and persuasion. The latter is the best way to reach agreements, make decisions, actions, and results. Success depends on the ability to persuade, the ability to motivate others to say yes, the willingness to follow their indications and act. Power is nothing without persuasion. We've been primarily taught to persuade using data, logic, and rational arguments. But this approach does not work well because the brain does not make decisions this way. Remember that persuasion is not an event, it's a process. It is partnering with people to achieve mutual goals and benefits. The 7 triggers to yes that the book presents are: the friendship trigger, authority trigger, consistency trigger, reciprocity trigger, contrast trigger, reason why trigger, hope trigger. Activity 1 or more of the other person triggers will make you a master persuader in every aspects of your life. 1. Friendship trigger. Friendship is one of the most powerful triggers in the persuasion galaxy.
And today I want to share with you what I believe to be the best closing technique and line in the history of mankind. Are you ready for it? Drum roll, please. Make sense to me. What do you think? That's it. Short, sweet, and simple. You see, in big ticket sales, as long as you've done all the right things leading up to the close, the best close is a simple, straightforward one. Makes sense to me. What do you think? Gimmicky closes don't work when you're talking about big ticket sales. The puppy dog close, which you give them the product for a few days for free, then you try to take it away. They're like, you're not going to take that away from me. Doesn't work in big ticket sales. Ben Franklin close, where you line up the cons on the left and the pros on the right. You want to make the pros list a lot longer. Doesn't work in big ticket sales. The good cop, bad cop
meet you. Some of them want to start a relationship.
Made famous by
some
car
of them want to get you in bed.
I don't want to be sold that way. The impending doom close. If you don't buy today by noon, these will be all gone, or the offer's off the table. Now, how are you developing trust when you do that kind of close? No, the best close I ever heard, if you do all the right things leading up to it, is makes sense to me. What do you think?
Makes sense to me. You know, station brought you a guy and a girl looking to see what Bramer is doing, and giggle cream.
Yeah, it makes perfect sense, man.
Right. So why are we fighting?
I'm fighting, man.
Because I might be firing you today. Why am I even talking to you?
Hi, I'm Francisco Dal. Welcome to
Make it a reality, baby, don't.
And the rest of the video,
Yeah.
the psychology
To your motor.
that all of us have hardwired into.
Decisions too high.
Let's get started.
Back on.
Instead of teaching you the same old tired sales,
Take you on. Take on anyone. I'll take on the world. Ocean's 11. Now, what's going on here now, babe?
any kind of influence situation, including sales, advertising, and more.
I watch the world.
These triggers have
Ease my trouble, man. I left my body lying somewhere in the sands of time, but I watched the world go to the dark side of the moon.
Oh yeah. Welcome, people. What the hell you doing out there? Can you recommend any pages for me and Twinkles here?
Yes. We're interested in learning. I got something to say to you, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, Twinkles. Tell him.
No, you.
Me? What do you got to tell me?
You're... Nothing.
From breathing to digestion, from dreaming to sleeping, your unconscious mind takes care of millions of processes every day. While your conscious mind is right here, listening to me, and it's totally aware of everything that I'm saying. When you have a conversation with yourself, that's your conscious mind at work. Kinda cool, isn't it? But here's the thing. There's no such thing as an unconscious mind or a conscious mind.
What?
What?
These are descriptions. They are not empirical.
I watch the world.
Conscious and unconscious to describe various processes.
Be my
So what exactly is an embedded command then? An embedded command is a form of covert suggestion that, as its name suggests, is embedded within a larger communication or content.
Back off.
There were several examples in the introduction to this video I just gave you, but more on that in a moment. For now,
Twinkles, I gotta sneeze.
the first thing, if you want to get good with embedded commands, it's easy. Remember, there isn't some place you're trying to lodge a suggestion. Rather, you're looking to present your suggestions.
Thinking about a few things here today. I'm going to fire Twinkles, for sure.
Welcome back. I think what I want to share with you now are 7 words that change
Very
minds.
early, and
I think that when you think about words, there's a lot of words that we say every day that don't mean a whole lot. But there are
Plus,
7
I got
words
late.
that you can use that
It's
have
just
been
late for
shown
me,
to
and,
actually impact and create cause in other people's minds to get them to say yes when they otherwise would have said no.